In Apps and Features, find TikTok, click Uninstall, and confirm. Open the Microsoft Store, search for TikTok, and click Get to Reinstall. Open Start, type Troubleshoot Other Problems, and click it. Locate the Windows Store Apps section. Click Run to troubleshoot and fix Microsoft Store issues. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Open Apps and Features. Find TikTok in the list, click it, and select Advanced Options. Under the Reset section, click Repair to fix the app without affecting its data. If the issue persists, click Reset. Note, this deletes the app's data. Open the Run dialog. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear and automatically clear the Microsoft Store cache. Once completed, the Microsoft Store will reopen. Restart your computer and check if the TikTok app works correctly. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.